Learn how to perform a wet end rebuild on a John Blue EasyMeter injection pump. You can also reference your EasyMeter manual at johnblue.com. For this demonstration, we're using EasyMeter model 20620. However, the same procedure can be used on 21630. Tools and material needed are rubber mallet, Loctite gasket sealant, flathead screwdriver, sockets 1/2 inch, 9/16 inch, and 3/4 inch, wrenches 9/16 and 3/4, replacement piston cup assembly. Let's begin. Remove bolts from the top of gearbox to remove cover. Remove bolts from crank arm using 9/16 socket wrench. Remove bolt from bolt sleeve using 3/4 inch socket. Remove whole assembly from pump. Remove nuts from backside using 1/2 inch socket. Remove back plate and front plate. Grab cylinder and pull up the cylinder head block to pull piston cup out. Turn counterclockwise to loosen and remove piston cup. Pull cylinder rod into a vise and use a flathead screwdriver on cup bolt. Grab replacement piston cup and apply appropriate Loctite to threads. Screw cup back onto rod clockwise using flathead screwdriver until tight. Once lined up, use rubber mallet to hammer down into tube until block is seated.
Grab your rod and everything with the new cup, line it up, make sure the bottom lip goes in.
Replace front plate and make sure holes line up for the bolts. Insert bolts. Flip over and replace back plate with screws going through holes. Replace one lock washer and one nut to each screw. Tighten back up with 1/2 inch socket. Put assembly back onto pump with front plate facing towards you.
Line it up just like that with the silver plate, the stickers facing you. Caution will always read right side up and be facing down. Back on.
Put 3/4 inch bolt back into sleeve, but do not tighten yet. Take 9/16 bolt and put lock washer and one flat washer on. Run bolt through rod end bearing and put 2 flat washers on backside. Screw back into crank arm.
Just line it up.
Tighten all bolts and put cover back into place. Tighten bolts and pump is ready to use. If you have any questions regarding the EasyMeter wet end rebuild or any other John Blue support questions, please contact our knowledgeable support team at 1-800 253 2583.